If you've got your eyes on a home for sale in Locust Grove, Georgia, you probably know that there are a lot of new construction homes for sale. That's why in this video, we are going behind the scenes, exploring one of my favorite new home community in Henry County's hidden gem, Locust Grove, Georgia. In case we haven't met, I'm Tamasia, the new construction queen, your go-to real estate agent for all things new construction homes for sale in Locust Grove, Georgia, and the builder incentives. Today, I'm taking you inside of a new community in Locust Grove, Georgia that offers a larger, brand new 4 and 5 bedroom homes. I mean, as big as 3,500 square feet, covered porches, tennis courts, walking trails, and the best prices and buyer incentives. Let's take a look at what makes this community special and why it's worth seeing in person. First up, let me give you 5 reasons why these homes for sale in Locust Grove, Georgia stand out. Number 1, there's a floor plan for every lifestyle. From 1-story homes to 5-bed, 4.5 bath, 3-car garage homes, basement homes, and if you're someone who doesn't want to be right next to your neighbor, the backyards and the lot sizes are amazing. Number 2, home prices right now start at just under $400,000, and their largest home, the Mansfield, is around $430,000. That means monthly payments are estimated at most $3,000 a month based on a 4.99 and even less at a 3.99% fixed interest rate. Number 3, they always have the lowest interest rates in the area, and because of builder-paid closing costs, you get to save thousands on your out-of-pocket expenses. That means lower money up front. Here, they are generally paying all of your closing costs, which could save you up to about $20,000. In case you're wondering, well, what if I don't have my down payment? We have down payment programs for you as well. It's an internal program when you apply with the preferred lender, but we can also explore programs like Georgia Dream and even the NACA program. I'll be honest, the mortgage might be a little bit higher. However, it's an amazing way to buy a home for just a few $1,000s or nothing at all. In case your credit score has you putting your home search on hold, there's even a free home buyers club to help you get credit ready. Personally, I love the Home Buyers Club because it has helped me help buyers get their scores in position to purchase, and they're in their home right now. The best part, no credit repair needed. Okay, now that we got all of that out of the way, let's take a look at 3 of their homes. We're gonna start with the biggest, which is a 5-bed, 4.5 bath, 3,400 square foot home, and then I'll give you a few others. Just a reminder, I'd love to know which one feels most at home. Oh, what did you think of this home? Comment down below and let me know. Now, even if you're just looking, exploring your options, have questions, it is okay to schedule a tour or even a combo to chat about your options. These homes are a lot bigger and better in person, and I'd be happy to give you a new home game plan. In the meantime, here's a few more videos for you to enjoy.